Hello, class. So today I'm going to talk about the 5 jobs that I chose for FSCJ. Um, I used the Career Source Northeast Florida link, which once I went in there, it sends me to one ONET online. So here I'm at the summary report of one of the 5 jobs that I chose on my chart. So today I'm going to talk about the first job that I chose. Um, Again, this is for FSCJ, class CTS 1154, and it's for support computer user, a guide for support computer user for help desk and support specialists. So again, today I'm going to talk about the 5 jobs that I chose. The first job is computer and information systems managers. Now, on the left side of my chart, I have locations, and then I have the annual median salaries for each location. So for computer and information systems managers in Jacksonville, the annual median is 122,840. In Florida, overall, it's 128,650. In Gainesville, it's 116,070. In Cape Coral, it's 106,470. And in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and West Palm Beach, which has all three linked together, it's 135,580. Now, in the United States, overall, in general, computer and information systems managers make about 146,360. So it says here on one net online, their general tasks are direct daily operations of department, analyzing workflow, establishing priorities, developing standards and setting deadlines, meet with department heads, managers and supervisors, vendors and others to solicit cooperation and resolve problems. Review project plans to plan and coordinate project activity. Assign and review the work of system analysis programmers and other computer related workers. Provide users with technical support for computer problems. Now it has technology skills. So, database management system software. And then it has Apache, Hadoop, NoSQL, database. And then it has development environment software, common business oriented language. It has enterprise resource planning EPR software, Microsoft Dynamics, NetSuite ERP, SAP. Then it has objective for component oriented development software, C++, Objective C, practical extraction and reporting language, Perl, Python. And then it has web platform as the last technology skill, development software. Now in knowledge, it says computers and electronics, customer and personal service, administration and management, engineering and technology, and English language. So in abilities, it says deducting reasoning, inductive reasoning, oral comprehension, oral expression, and problem sensitivity. So I just wanted to share this. It says here education, bachelor's degree, about 48%. Some college, no degree, 26%. And then master's degree, about 14%. Okay, so let's go with the next job description. Is computer network architects. So for computer network architects, again, location Jacksonville is my first location on this chart. 101,190 is the annual median. Then in Florida overall, 105,710. Gainesville 65,770. Cape Coral 86,630. Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and West Palm Beach, 108,350. Now, overall in the United States, a computer network architect makes about $112,690. It says here in the summary report for computer network architects, It says to develop or recommend network security measures such as firewalls, networks, security audits, and automated security probes. Develop disaster recovery plans. Yesterday, the professor talked about that. Develop the disaster recovery plans, which eventually it will involve in Florida, since we're in a hurricane state, we will need to develop a disaster recovery plan. Monitor and analyze network performance and report on data input or output to detect problems. Identifying inefficient use of computer resources or perform capacity planning. Coordinate network and design activities with designers of associated networks and develop conceptual, logical, and physical network designs. So, in technology skills for computer network architects, we have administration software, Cisco Systems, Cisco Works, Netro, OmniCenter, Riverbed Technology, SolarWinds. We have development environment software, which I read them before as well, for Computer and Information Systems Manager, Eclipse, Microsoft Azure, Ruby. Network monitoring software, Nigeos, Packet Analyst softwares, Semantic Intruder Alert, and Wireshark. And then we have operating system software, Job Control Language, JCL, Linux, Microsoft Windows, and Oracle Solaris. Oracle Solaris. And then we have web platform development software, Apache Tomcat, Google Angular JS, JavaScript, Microsoft ASP.NET, and Core MVC. And then knowledge, it just says computer and electronics, telecommunications, engineering and technology, English language and design. Then we go to skills, critical thinking, active listening, complex problem solving, reading comprehension, and judgment and decision making. So these are things that are going to be needed. It says for education, 36% have a master's degree, 32% have bachelor's degree, and 14% have baccalaureate certificate. Okay, so let's go to the next job I chose, which is information security analyst. So information security analysts make in Jacksonville 89,820 is the median. In Florida, it's also 89,230. In Gainesville, it's 95,460. And then in Cape Coral, it's 77,980. And in Miami, West Palm, and Fort Lauderdale and West Palm Beach, it's 86,770. In the United States overall, information security analysts make 99,730. And it says here in the summary report for information security analysts, develop plans to safeguard computer files against accidental and unauthorized modification, destruction, or disclosure, and to meet emergency data processing needs. Monitor current reports of computer viruses to determine when to update virus protection systems. Encrypt data transmissions and erect firewalls to conceal confidential information as it's being transmitted and will keep out tainted digital transfers. Perform risk assessments and execute tests of data processing systems to ensure functioning of data processing activities and security measures. Modify computer security files to incorporate new software, correct errors, and change individual access status. Technology skills, development environment software, network monitoring software, operating system software, transaction security and virus protection software, web platform development software. And it has examples of each. In knowledge, it's pretty much the same as the previous two. Computer and electronics, English language, administration and management, engineering and technology, and telecommunications. And some of the skills that will be needed are reading comprehension, critical thinking, active listening, complex problem solving, and speaking. Then when we go down to education, it says 53% have a bachelor's degree, 23 post baccalaureate certificate, and 13% associate's degree. So that is for information security systems. Let's go to my fourth job search, which health information specialist. Now, health information specialist make in Jacksonville 75,770 is the medium income. Then in Florida overall is 79,220. In Gainesville it's 65,530. In Cape Coral it's 64,070. 64,070, and in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and West Palm Beach, it's 81,130. And in the United States overall, it's 90,920. Now let's talk a little bit about. So it says that here on One Net Online, the summary report for health information informatics specialist. It says here. They will need to have translate nursing practices information between nurses and system engineers, analysts, and designers using objective-oriented models and other techniques. Apply knowledge of computer science, information science, nursing, and informatics theory to nursing practices, education, and administration and research in collaboration with other health informatics specialists. Design, develop, select, test, implement, and evaluate new and modified informatics solutions, data structures, and decision support mechanisms to support patients, healthcare professionals, and their information management and human computer and human technology interaction with healthcare contexts. Analyze and interpret patient nursing or information systems data to improve nursing services. Develop, implement, and evaluate health information technology applications, tools, processes, or structures to assist nurses with data management. Now, in technology skills, it says here analytical or science software, IBM, SPSS, statistics, SAS software, business intelligence and data analysis software, Quilt software, and Tableau, database user interface and query software, Microsoft Access, structured query language, SQL, medical software, Epic System, Meditech software, SAMS Health, Ears, and VISIS LCU program. Objective or component-oriented development software, computer-aided software engineering, case tools, practical extraction and reporting language, Perl, Python. Now it says knowledge, it says customer and personal service, computer and electronics, education and training, English language, and medical and dentistry. For skills, it says reading comprehension, active listening. So every job skill for all these jobs that I'm mentioning has active listening. It's very important. Judgment and decision making, speaking and writing. Let's go down to education. So 45% bachelor's degree, 41% master's degree, and 5% associate's degree. So let's go to the fifth job that I was interested in is software developers. So software developers, their medium income in Jacksonville is 75,770. In Florida overall it's 79,220, and in Gainesville it's 65,530. Cape Coral 64,070, and then Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and West Palm Beach it's 95,250. And in the United States overall, a software developer makes medium income of 107,510. Now it says here in the summary report for software developers task, it says analyze information to determine, recommend, plan installation of new system and modification of an existing system. Analyze user needs and software requirements to determine feasibility and design within time and cost constraints. Confer with data processing and project managers to obtain information on limitation and capabilities for data processing projects. Confer with system analysts, engineers, programmers, and others to design systems and obtain information on project limitations and capabilities. Perform requirements and interfaces. Consult with consumers and other departments on project status, proposals, and technical issues, such as software system design and maintenance. Technology skills, database management system software, development environment software, object and component-oriented development software, program testing software, and web platform development software. And it says here, doesn't have information on degrees. So I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you guys really liked this video, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.